Dear viewers, here this is Abul Hussain. My dear viewers and students, I am again before you with the new topics of English on five kinds of sentences. Here I want to say you that we cannot do anything in English without knowing the structure of sentences. In English, we have to use English five kind of sentence. Here I am going to describe five kind of sentence in this video. My dear viewers and students, here five kind of sentence. First of all, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means the another name of declarative sentence is assertive sentence. Here I am using the assertive sentence as declarative sentence because we know assertive sentence declare us, narrate us about any event or thing. So I want to tell about it. The declarative sentence, a declarative sentence declares or states a fact. That means a declarative sentence or assertive sentence declares or states a fact, arrangement or opinion. If you have an opinion, you can describe it with declarative sentence, and you can declare or states a fact or an arrangement. Declarative sentences can be either positive or negative. That means assertive sentence can be either positive or negative. A declarative sentence ends with a period full stop. You have to know it that declarative sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with full stop. You have to remind it, you have to notice it when you will use it. Here for example, I want to make you see some sentences. First of all, I will meet you at the train station. I will meet you at the train station. Here the beginning word is I and ending word is station. After station I use here full stop. The second sentence, the sun rises in the east. It is also a narrative or declarative or assertive sentence. The sun rises in the east. This sentence also completed with a full stop. Another now I want to tell you about another sentence. It is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, if we want to use imperative sentence, we have to know that what is the imperative sentence. When we use any order, we use any advice, we use imperative sentence. The imperative commands or sometimes requests. The imperative takes no subject, as you is the implied subject. You, when the second person is used here, the subject will be banished. The implied subject, the imperative form ends with either a period full stop or an exclamation point. Most of the time it is also ended with full stop and often with and begin with verb. But at the same time you have to know that when we use second person in imperative sentence, we should write or we should begin this sentence with verb. But when we use third person or first person, we should use let. However, I will narrate it in details in my next video. Our next sentence is interrogative sentence. Here interrogative means when the sentence the meaning of the sentence will be shown before us as question mark. The interrogative asks a question. This sentence asks a question. In the interrogative form, the auxiliary verb proceeds subject which is then followed by the main verb. Here you should be careful that the interrogative form will be start with be verb or auxiliary verb. Here be verb means am, is, or was, where, will be, shall be, etc. And model verb, it also will start with model verb: can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, used to, ought to, need, dare, must. Here I have shown an example. Are you coming? Here the first word of the sentence are is a be verb. The interrogative forms ends with a question mark. You have to remind on it that the interrogative sentence must be ended with interrogative sign. Here some examples I have taken for you. How long have you lived in France? How long? This sentence is also ended with interrogative form. I will describe these sentences or these interrogative forms in my later video. Next one, our next sentence is exclamatory sentence. The exclamatory form emphasizes a statement, either declarative or imperative, with an exclamation point. Here you have to notice that this sentence will be ended with exclamation point. There some example. First of all, hurry up. Here there is no subject or rest words, only a verb and ended with exclamation mark. The sounds that sounds fantastic. Also this sentence is ended with exclamation point. I can't believe you said that. However, dear viewers and my students, you can see here 4 kinds of sentence. Actually the sentences are 5 kinds. Now I have described before you only 4, because operative sentence is not most important, so I have described here only 4 kinds of sentences. Thank you all. We will meet you again later. Thank you.